Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your wiper blades on your MG4 simply and easily, saving yourself anywhere between 60 and 70 pounds per service, because that's the thing that most dealerships will do. Is when you have your car serviced, they'll change your wiper blades for you, and from knowledge it is around 60 to 70 pounds to have them replaced. But the lovely people from Airflux sent me some wipers. They are superb. I've been using them for quite a number of years, and they really do give you crystal clear vision, not only in the summer, but also in the winter. So let's get down and show you what you've first of all got to do. So what we've got to do with the MG4 is we have to put it into service mode. That's the most important thing. As you see, you'll probably see the wipers now on the screen. I'm just going to put them on for you. They hide in between the bonnet and the screen. So to get it into service mode, what you've got to do is press the little car icon here, and then up here along the top you'll see safety. If you click safety, power off the vehicle, so you power it off, press the indicator stalk once, they're now in service mode. Now the most important thing with this is when you get out, when you're doing this whole process, you must make sure you don't get in the car again, because if you get back in the car, the seat sensor will recognize you're in and it'll put the wipers back into the normal driving mode. So let's get into the wipers. I'll show you how simple it is. And again, you'll save yourself an absolute fortune. These wipers are absolutely fantastic. I have used mainly only these for the last few years, to be honest with you. So to replace, we lift the wipers up. You'll see that there's a little tab section there. You just push that tab in like so, pull the old wiper out. Do we need that? No, we don't. Get the new one in my pocket, save it blowing away. And this literally just clips into here like so. Make sure it's all lined up. Let's get it around it. It's just a job to get it right, really straight. That's all you're looking for, is just get it straight. And once you get it straight, pick it up a bit more, there we go. Clip straight into place. Make sure you take the green protector sleeve off. That's one wiper replaced. Exactly the same as we did with the first one. Push this little button in here, the wiper comes off. What do we do with these? The new one, hopefully this one will be a bit easier than the last. Make sure it's the right way up. Slide that in like so. Clip. You want to hear that clip. That's when you know that they're put in. Take the little green sleeve off. Just check everything is as it should. Now if we come around here, as I showed you before, as soon as I get in the car now, the wipers will change out of service mode. That's why it's so important. Make sure you don't get in the car. And a little quick check. They're silent, they're quiet, they are absolutely fantastic. What I'll do is I'll put a link to Airflux down in the comments just so you can have a look and you can see them. I'm not selling them for them today. It's just literally a link to their website. They've got wind deflectors, they've got windscreen wipers. Check my other videos out because I've done reviews on all of those. And I'll tell you what, guys, I'll see you in the next one.